All right, we're back today, and I figured before we get out and shooting with this, and before we get it sighted in, we are going to weigh all the bolts that I have. We got the center points that came with the crossbow. We also have Carbon Express whitetail bolts that I ended up buying separate. All these are 20 inches apiece. We are also going to weigh up the Carbon Express crossbow release bolt. So we're going to weigh everything separate. I have two kinds of field tips that I'll be weighing. Everything's claimed to be 100 grains. So we got this one and then the bullet style one. And then we're also going to weigh up my broadheads, which are a Montec. So let's get to weighing. The bullet head ones are 6.6 grams. 6.6. 6.7. 6.6. 6.7. 6.7. Now the ones that came with it are 6.5, 6.5, and then the last one is also 6.5, so they're pretty consistent. Now we're going to switch over to the broadheads and see what they weigh. 6.6, 6.6, then another one at 6.6, so they're consistent. We are going to weigh the center points, and them by themselves are 19.5. 19.5. 19.5, so they're dead on with each other. We're going to try the whitetail Carbon Expresses. 22.2. 22.1. 22.2. 22. 22.1. 22.2, so roughly 3 grams difference. So we're going to put everything together and then weigh them again. I'm using the bullet style tips on the Carbon Expresses. And this is my first year with the crossbow. I have a compound, it's a Martin Jaguar, and I do like it a lot. I thought there was a crack in one of the limbs, but it turns out it looks like it's only a scratch upon further inspection of it. So maybe just get it restrung just to have it around. I do like to shoot it. All right, now we're going to weigh everything up put together. The center points, 26. 26.1. 26. So they're dead even with each other. Now we're going to do the white tails. 28.7. 28.9. 28.9. 28.8. 28.9, 28.8, and then the decocking one is 73.3. So now we are going to put one of the broadheads on here because we know they all weigh the same. So a regular one with a field tip is 26.1, and then one with the broadhead is 26.1, the same. So what I think I'll do is I will sight in with the heavier ones and then use the lighter ones to see if they're consistent and all that, because I'd like to use the center points for hunting. So any of your questions or comments, let me know down below, and thanks for watching.